Hello everybody, this video is for those who just brought their guitar today and doesn't even know how to play. I'm going to teach you guys. It will only take 1 month for you to learn and play guitar. So for now, let's just keep our guitar in the case and close it. My guitar is, by the way, my guitar is Ibanez Premium RG Red Desert, my beautiful queen. So for now, let's grab a pen. And a notebook. By the way, this is my guitar journey notebook. And let's start learning some guitar. For today's topic is guitar lesson level 0. I'm going to talk about two topics, that is guitar tuning and mapping on fretboard. This is very important. So there are several guitar tunings. For example, drop tuning and standard tuning, etc. So I'm going to talk about standard tuning for today. These are the string names. There are 6 strings in standard guitars, starting from the smallest string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E, A, D, G, B, E. Pro tip guys, tune your guitar every single day. Untune it and tune it. It will help you increase your hearing capability and it's going to train your ears. It's very important. To become a guitarist, you have to train your ears. It's very, very important. Nowadays, we have like guitar tuning apps and little machine that beeps when you are on a correct tune. And nowadays, we even have a guitar that has an inbuilt guitar tuning system. So it's very easy. So people just ignore it, just tune it and just start playing the guitar, start playing the riff or start playing their favorite songs and trying to learn all that things. But it's very important, just give a little bit of time and untune the guitar and tune it back on and listen very carefully each and individual notes and sound while tuning the guitar. And there goes our topic number 1. You have to tune your guitar each and every single day to train your ears. This is very important. Tune your guitar every single day. And next topic is fretboard. Map on your fretboard. Mapping on your fretboard. By the way, this box is called fretboard. I mean, this whole neck is called fretboard, and these are the individual fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so goes on till this 12th fret, and repeated again from 12th fret. It's all repeating notes. So let's talk about mapping on fretboard. Mapping on fretboard. There are 12 notes on a guitar. And now you may ask, like, I have 24 guitar frets on my neck. Yeah, there are lots of guitar. Yeah, after this 12th fret, all the notes are repeated again from fret 1. And now you may ask, like, well, it doesn't sound the same. Yeah, it does sound the same, but the thing is, it's higher octave. For example, this is E. So E in alphabetical order, after E is F. The thing is, it's in higher octave, higher pitch. So I'm going to teach you how to note every single fretboard, how to give a name to every single fretboard. So let's talk about this symbol right here, hash. In our musical theory, this hash is known as sharp. And now you may ask, what is sharp? Sharp notes, oh my god, why is not focusing? Okay, sharp notes are notes that are raised by a semitone. Only a half note that are raised from the original note is called sharp. What is whole note? Whole notes are known as semi-breve in musical theory, or you may also known as, or two half note is equal to whole note. So sharp notes are only half notes, only one half note, or only a semitone is known as sharp, and two semitone or two half note is equal to whole note. Now you know sharp and whole note. So let's talk about mapping on fretboard. Okay, now let's grab a pen and let's start writing down the fret names. Okay, in alphabetical order, after A, by the way, this A is number 5 string, and this E is number 6 string, and this D is going to be number 4 string, and this G is going to be number 3 string, and B is going to be number 2 string, and E is going to be the smallest string on the guitar, number 1. So let's write down this A string. Okay, let's start from the beginning. The smallest string, E. So the next alphabetical order is after E is F. So your first fretboard is going to be F. Your first fret is going to be F. So after F has sharp notes. So in these 12 notes, there are only 2 notes that doesn't have sharp. E and B, it doesn't have sharp. It doesn't have any semitones, or it doesn't have any half notes. So after F is going to be sharp notes. Sharp, F sharp, F sharp. And in alphabetical order, what is the letter? Next letter is, in alphabetical order, the next letter is going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. It's going to be G. G has a sharp note, so it's going to be G sharp. The next note is going to be G sharp. So it is the end of the note, G. After G is going to be repeated again from A. There are only 12 notes including sharp notes. That is A to G. A to G, including all the sharp notes. So after A is going to be A sharp, and after A, alphabetical order, A, B, right, B. And B doesn't have a sharp, so the next letter is going to be A, B, C. She has a sharp note, so the next letter is going to be C sharp. And next, A, B, C, D. Next, D sharp. A, B, C, D, and E. E doesn't have sharp, so it's going to be repeated again from the first fret. So this is how you map on your fretboard. I am going to save you some time and write down all the notes. Okay, this is all the notes you need to know to play the guitar. It's better for you guys to learn and by heart and know all the individual notes where it belongs on the fretboard. For me, I don't have that kind of genius brain on me, so I use this technique called triads and shapes to know where I am on the fretboard, like GBD. I'll talk about the triads on the next episode. So for now, these are the two topics you need to know in order to play the guitar. I'll give you guys 1 month. In this 1 month, you are going to learn how to play guitar, your favorite song on that guitar. After this 1 month, you'll be able to play your favorite song on guitar. So stay tuned, follow, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell so that you'll know when I publish a new episode. And after all this boring theory, you'll be able to play the guitar. I can guarantee you that after a month, you'll be able to play your favorite song. And I can also guarantee you that it is free and it is worth it to like and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned, stay safe, and play guitar each and every single day. If you give enough time and determination, I am sure that you'll be able to play the guitar at the end of the month. Thank you for watching. See you next.